Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical topics for professionals in the pharmaceutical and healthcare manufacturing industries, FDA inspection forms, 482, 483, and 484. If you're in quality control, quality assurance, or regulatory affairs, this video is for you. What is FDA Form 482? This is the Notice of Inspection, the very first document you receive when FDA inspectors arrive at your facility. It gives them the legal right to conduct the inspection under the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. This form includes the inspector's credentials and the purpose of the inspection. It's a serious moment, so always ensure your team is inspection ready. What is FDA Form 483? It's issued at the end of the inspection. It lists observations made by the inspector about anything that might violate FDA regulations, like poor documentation, hygiene issues, or data integrity gaps. It's not a final judgment, but it's your opportunity to respond, usually within 15 working days. Timely and clear corrective action is a must here. What is FDA Form 484? If the FDA takes any product or material sample from your facility, they must give you a receipt, and that's what Form 484 is. It details what was taken, how much, and for what purpose. This ensures transparency and traceability for both you and the FDA. Conclusion, so let's quickly summarize. Form 482 equals start of inspection, Form 483 equals observations/issues noted, Form 484 equals receipt of samples. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Pharma, and click the bell icon for more pharma content. See you in the next video. Until then, stay compliant, stay confident.